Hey guys, I'm Callum.
It's Jacob.
And this is Zach
from CIR Inventions, and today we are reviewing Zach's Gucci socks. In today's video we're going to do a brief unboxing, review, and our personal thoughts on Zach's pairs of Gucci socks, and let's get into it. Wait, have you seen Zach?
No.
I told him to come here like half an hour ago. Did he like go to DQ or something?
Yeah, he told me you can get a blizzard.
Really?
That was a terrible mistake.
That would
Not
explain
gonna
why
lie.
he's so late. Oh wait, is
Hey!
that Hey! What's going on, Zach? How's it
Hey,
going?
yeah.
Bro, where are the Gucci socks?
Oh no, I forgot the Gucci!
Your Gucci, sir. Your Gucci. Oh.
So now we are unboxing the Gucci. As you can see here, we have the two Gucci socks within the package, imprinted with the Italian flag and the lion logo. These socks are imported from Italy, which is why they are worth over $120. Okay, now I will go into a little description of the box itself. The box is made of cardboard with an exquisite silicone outside layer wrapped around. It is imported, just like the socks, from Italy. As you can see, I am now trying on the Gucci socks. They feel very nice on my feet. They are made from 50% cotton and 50% polyester. They are also moisture wicking. So when you're outside, you're taking your morning run or whatever, your feet get all sweaty, you put on these Gucci socks, it'll wick the moisture right away, which is why they feel nice, cool and dry. As you can see, I have now achieved a new level of power. With the NMDs and the Gucci socks on combined, I'm the most powerful being in this room. See how nice they make my calves look. See, there's the logo right there, nice tiger. Yeah. Okay, overall, I would rate the Gucci socks an 11 out of 10 from its natural moisture-wicking material and its clout boosts like nothing else will give you. This Gucci socks are an amazing product. This has been another great review by CIR Inventions.
Hey Zach, thank you so much for doing this review with us. It's greatly appreciated, even if we had to beat it out of you.
Oh, it is no problem.
Okay, that's good.
But there's one thing, Zach.
What?
We can't let you have too much clout.
What do you mean?
No!
Jacob, come back!
No, come back with my Gucci!
There's nothing else to see here. Hey guys, I'm Callum.
I'm Dane.
From CR Inventions, and yeah, bye. Hey guys, I'm Callum.
I'm Jacob.
And this is Zach.
See ya.
Oh my God.